For many decades, the New South Wales Police Force has had a formal document that guides the way they engage with Aboriginal communities. This document is called the Aboriginal Strategic Direction. Police have a very difficult history with Aboriginal communities, and this history continues to impact the day-to-day interactions Aboriginal communities have with the police. The police have been working hard to improve this relationship, and when the relationship works well, there are many positive outcomes. The Aboriginal Strategic Direction was designed to be a blueprint for a long-term positive engagement with Aboriginal communities in New South Wales. It covers community safety, enhancing communication and understanding, working with other agencies to reduce Aboriginal overrepresentation in the criminal justice system, and improving the safety and well-being of young Aboriginal people. The New South Wales Police Force asked the Law Enforcement Conduct Commission to monitor its progress under the 2018-23 version of that direction. We did this by gathering information from the police, as well as individuals and organisations who are directly involved in addressing the overrepresentation of Aboriginal people in the criminal justice system. The years that we reviewed included some exceptional challenges: bushfires, COVID, and then flooding, and they devastated communities. We saw many positive stories of officers working very hard during these times to deliver services to people in need. We also saw the indispensable work of First Nations staff within the police force. That included the Aboriginal Coordination and Strategy Team and the 58 Aboriginal Community Liaison Officers who work across the state. The way that these First Nations staff strengthen trust and build the cultural capability of the police force is so important. We've asked the New South Wales Police Force to look at strategies to retain these valuable staff. And the training that First Nations staff provide should also be extended to more police officers in the field. On the other hand, we know that Aboriginal people are significantly overrepresented in the criminal justice system. This is the result of complex social and historical dynamics, and it is not the sole responsibility of police. But police do have an important role to play in reducing that overrepresentation and building trust with Aboriginal communities. In a number of areas of policing work, we saw that policing interactions with Aboriginal people were disproportionately high. We've asked the New South Wales Police Force to reflect on its policies and practices to address this overrepresentation. We've also recommended that police publish a Closing the Gap delivery plan explaining how they will partner with Aboriginal peak bodies and the other New South Wales government agencies in implementing the National Agreement on Closing the Gap. This is an agreement aimed at improving life outcomes for Aboriginal people, including criminal justice related outcomes. As the independent police oversight agency, we aim to promote integrity within law enforcement in New South Wales, and taking an interest in the policing of Aboriginal communities is and will continue to be an important part of this work. If you would like to know more, a copy of the full report is available on our website.